Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Haley and I do fashion, style, unboxings, things of that nature. Probably some other things are coming in the future. I am so excited that you are here and I would love to have you stick around. So if you like this video, I'd love it if you subscribed, if you click the bell, hit like, add some comments. I would love to see it. Today I am trying out Dia & Co. for the first time and I'm pumped. I love getting surprises, I love doing unboxings, and I love not seeing what's inside until I get it. So I'm so excited to see what's in my Dia box. So Dia & Co., if you don't know, it is a plus size clothing subscription box. And they send you, I think, 5 items. I think it's a $20 or $25 styling fee. But your first time is free. So that's why I'm trying it out, because I could do it for free. There's nothing to lose. So I'm going to see what they have in store. Now, I am mid-size, I guess you would say. I am right in between straight sizes and plus sizes. So I typically am like a size large to extra large and like a 14 in pants and maybe a 12, sometimes maybe a 16 sometimes. It's kind of fluctuating. So I told my stylist on Dia & Co. that I would like them to send me a lot of things in a 0X or a 1X if they're not available in a 0X. And they actually let me choose up to 3 items to put in my box. I only chose 2, but those 2 items were available in a 0X. So I added them in a 0X for myself. So, without further ado, let's just get started. All right. So here is what the inside looks like. There is, well, I just dropped it. Dang it. Okay. So that does not go with this. So there's this little envelope. It says, look inside for your stylist tips and tricks, order invoices, and more. So, woo, everything's flying everywhere. All right. So here is a letter from my stylist, and then I have my invoice. And I'm going to do something kind of different today. I'm not going to look at the prices or the descriptions of anything before I try anything on. I saw somebody else do this on another unboxing and I thought it was so cool. And so I'm going to try it. I'm not going to let prices sway me one way or another. I'm just going to see what is here. So let me read my note. Hi Haley, welcome to the Dia & Co. family. My name is Amber and I am thrilled to be your stylist. We're really excited to start this journey with you and build a wardrobe you'll love to wear every day. I am so happy that you were able to include a couple of pieces in this first box. I think that the Odelia balloon sleeve cardigan will be ideal to layer over the Harper sleeveless jumpsuit for a quick and comfortable work week look. Yay, I'm gonna get a jumpsuit. The Acela boyfriend jeans can be styled with the Madeline baby doll. Add a pair of ankle boots and a long pendant necklace for a fabulous weekend option. When you are ready to take it easy and relax, you slip into your cozy Cameron pants. Cozy. Don't forget to send us your feedback. We want to know what you like, what you don't, and what styles you're willing to try. Most importantly, we want you to have fun with this. XO Amber. Okay, I'm so excited. I requested a jumpsuit and boyfriend jeans, and I got both of those things. So, the Odelia balloon sleeve cardigan I chose, and then the Madeline baby doll I chose. So, looks like there's boyfriend jeans, a jumpsuit, and some cozy pants of some sort. So, this will be fun. All right. I've got my return mailer. I'm struggling today, you guys. And then my bundle. I just love, it's just so satisfying to see just a perfectly wrapped bundle of clothes. Ooh. If this isn't me, I don't know what is. Look at all that black and gray. I'm a fan already. All right. There's like writing like all in this box, like printed words and stuff. That's so cool. Okay. I'm impressed already. Let's do this thing. Okay. We'll start here. All right. So this is the top I picked out. I'm positive. This is the Mary Skye top. Okay. It's like a baby doll style top. I love tops that are this fit. I think they're super flattering. I think this print is really cute, and it's got like a little bit of a puffy sleeve, and it has a little gathering at the bottom. Looks like it would be like a 3/4 sleeve, and then it's got just a crew neck at the top, which I like. I don't really like super low necklines. So yeah, that is very cute. It's a 0X. This is one of the ones I chose. Ho ho ho, here are the cozy pants, y'all. All right, these are the Yummy. These are really cozy. They're like a wide leg pair of, I guess they're lounge pants. I don't know that I would wear these out. They kind of feel pajama-y to me, but they are really soft. They're like a dark black charcoal kind of color. These are from the brand Yummy, and they are an extra large. So not bad. They do have pockets and a drawstring, so that is really nice. All right, I think this might be the jumpsuit. Okay, this is like overalls. This is so comfy though. Okay, it's got little buttons down the front. It's like kind of like overalls in the back. It's got these kind of like adjustable straps. It's got like a defined waist with elastic, and then it also has a belt. And then the pants are just like a wide leg, probably a crop, but it's vertical stripes, really tiny vertical stripes, which is really nice. So I'm excited about this one. This one is from the brand Skye, and this one is a 1X, but it looks like it might fit me. So I'm excited. I love the buttons down the front too. That'll be so fun to try on. Okay, this is the cardigan that I chose. So it's kind of like a waffle knit kind of thing going on, if you guys can see that. But it's got kind of like a puffy sleeve, like a balloon sleeve, and then it comes in at the bottom. It's a lightweight, really soft black cardigan. I am in need of a black cardigan, so I saw this one and I thought this was a great addition for me to try. So I like it. It's got little pockets as well. So soft. Really excited about that. All right, and then the last thing is a pair of jeans. Okay. Ooh, dropping stuff. Paper inside. Okay. All right, so these are the boyfriend jeans, I guess. They're from the brand Molly and Isadora, and they are a 14. And they have a big hole right here in the knee, and then they have a little hole in this other knee, and then they're cuffed. I like the wash of these. I'm kind of in the on the hunt. That's what I'm trying to say. For a pair of more like straight leg boyfriend jeans. So these will be really fun to try. They have a little bit of stretch in them, which is really good. A lot of straight jeans have no stretch, and I got thick thighs, so it doesn't ever really work well for me. The thing is, I'm not really sure if these are going to be high-waisted or more of like a mid-rise, which if they're not high-waisted, that's going to be a deal breaker for me, but we will see. All right, so let's go try it on, see if I like it on myself. Okay, so I'm wearing the Skye baby doll top and the Molly and Isadora boyfriend jeans. So this top, I really like it. I love the fit of it. I think it's very flattering. It's definitely something that I would choose. I mean, I did pick it out. So it's very me. I'm not really sure how much I love the sleeves though. I don't typically love 3/4 sleeves. I don't know, they're just not really doing much for me. It is really soft and comfortable. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was probably like $40 or something. So I don't know that I'm gonna keep it, but it is really cute. Here's the back. Yeah, but it is a great top. It's very soft and comfortable. So yeah, I'm not mad about it at all. The jeans, so I really like them. And I'm very sad. This is the struggle with being mid-size. They are too big in the waist. I have way too much gapping in the back. And I just know that if I wear these for an hour, they are going to be super baggy on me. And like, they are okay now, but I just feel like they are going to fall down if I wear them any longer. So I really love them. I think they're amazing. I love the way that the leg is. I like the distressing. I like the wash, but they are just not cutting it for me on the size, which is so sad. But that's what I get. So anyway, they are really great. I love the distressing. I like the way that there's like a hole, but it's like not, you can't see through it. And the waist is quite high-waisted. They're very stretchy. They're very comfortable. I wonder if this brand makes standard sizes. If I could see if these are available in, these are a 14W. So I wonder if they just had like a standard size 14, if they would fit me better. I don't know. I'm curious. Also, I don't think I would wear this top with these pants just because I like to wear like flowy tops with more skinny pants and like wider pants with more like fitted tops. But these are two really great pieces. They're really comfortable and I'm not upset at all. Okay, so here is the cardigan. I love the cardigan. I really love the cardigan. It's very soft. It's very comfortable. It's black. It's a color that I would wear all the time. I wear cardigans to work like every day almost. So I think I'm keeping this one for sure. Very soft, very cozy, perfect size. I mean, it's long enough to cover my butt if I need it to. It's got pockets. So yeah, there's nothing to complain about here with this cardigan. I love it. These are the cozy pants. They're comfortable for sure. They are cozy pants. I just don't really know that I need them. I like that they have pockets. They are a little long on me, so if I did wear them out, they would drag the ground. Yeah, I just don't know that I need them, and I feel like they're going to be more expensive than I want to spend on a pair of pajama pants. So they're great. They're very neutral and they're super comfortable and very stretchy, but I just don't need them, so I'm probably not going to keep the pants. Okay, so here is the jumpsuit. I styled it with just a plain black fitted t-shirt underneath it. My stylist said to wear it with the cardigan, which, I mean, it would work, but I kind of just envisioned it more like over something. So either way, I think would be great, and that would be a great way to mix it up, and that way I could wear it differently and wear it a lot and it not be the same outfit over and over. I really like it. It feels like pajamas, which is amazing. I love the buttons down the front. I am so happy that it has the adjustable straps because I had to adjust them to the point where they're like, the little buckles are like on top of my shoulders. But that's great because it works really well. I don't have a very big chest, so I don't need a lot of room up here. But it fits me really well throughout. I love that it has pockets. I'm just probably going to be putting my hands in my pockets all day if I wear this. The only thing is it like shows anything you wear underneath it. So like the t-shirt I have, you can kind of see the line where it stops. I don't know if that's a much deal breaker for me. I think it's really a pretty flattering cut on me. My only thing, I don't really love the like cropped wide leg pant look. So I'll just have to look back at the footage and kind of see how I feel about it. And I also just don't know what shoes do I wear with this? You'll let me know. But I think I really like it, and it's probably going to come down to price, and I'm probably going to have to think about how wearable it's going to be in my everyday life. Okay, so now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to see how much these things cost. All right, first thing, yummy Cameron pant with pockets, black, size 0X. So these are the pajamas. They are $42. Yep, nope. Not keeping those. Mary Skye Harper sleeveless jumpsuit, black and white, 1X, $45. Okay. That's not bad for something in a box like this. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this. I love it. It's very comfortable. It's just black and white. It would go for any season. I can wear it to work. I think I'm going to keep this. I really like how cozy it is. I'll have to figure out the situation of wearing things under it. I might just wear something over it like she said. I don't know. But I think it's going to work great. And I'm going to choose comfort always, right? Okay. And then I had the Molly and Isadora Acela Distressed Boyfriend Jean. Medium wash. They are a 14. They are $65. Ooh. I mean, they're really, really good jeans. They're not really my size. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to keep them. But that's really not a bad price. They feel really great quality. And so if you are true plus size, these are amazing. And I highly would recommend these. And then we have the Mary Skye Madeline Baby Doll Top in Turquoise / Coral. This is the one I chose. It's a 0X. It's $39, which is a great price. But I don't know. I just don't know that I need it. It is cute. It is really comfortable. But I'm just not in love with it. So I think I'm going to pass on that one as well. And then we had the Odelia Balloon Sleeve Cardigan. I can't reach it. It's black. It's a 0X. It's $49. And I'm going to keep it. I'm going to wear it so many times that it's going to be worth it. So my total is $240. Minus $20 styling fee. I don't think I paid a styling fee. I don't know how that works on your first time. I don't know. If it does come off, still, that would not be bad at all. And then it's 25% off if you keep the whole box. So that would be $160 for everything. It's just not bad. That's way better than Stitch Fix has been being for me. So, $160 for everything. And like plus size stuff is usually way more expensive than standard size stuff. So I am kind of shocked. $160 for 5 items. So that's about $32 a piece. Which is not bad. Okay. So if I just get the 2 items that I like, it'd be well, I like everything. If I just kept the 2 items that I really like, it would be about it would be $94. And then I guess if they take the styling fee off, it'll be $74. So yeah, it's like still less than half what it would be if I kept everything. So yeah, I'm not going to keep everything. The jeans, they didn't fit. If they had them in a 12 and I could exchange them, because Torrid carries a 12, but I kind of don't think they're going to have a 12. So, dang it. Yeah. All right. So that's Dia & Co. I was really impressed with my first box. I really liked it. I think I'm going to stick around for a little bit and see how it goes. The prices were really great. Like $65 is more than I usually spend on jeans, but like compared to Stitch Fix, it's not bad. And for the newbie plus size, it's not bad. And then Jumpsuit for $45. That's amazing. Now the only thing is those like lounge pants, $42 is a little steep for those. They feel like pants you could get at like TJ Maxx or Marshalls for like $12, $15. The baby doll top was $39. That's kind of to be expected from a service like this, but like it's not terrible, but it's still like more than I would normally pay. And then the cardigan's $50, which is kind of a lot, but it's a staple and it does feel like it's pretty solid quality. So I think I'll wear it a lot and it'll last a long time. So yeah, that's my justification. I probably didn't need to say all that, but I did. That's everything. So Dia & Co. I'm a fan and I'm going to be sticking around. If you'd like to stick around and see more videos like this from me, I would love to have you. Click that subscribe button, click that bell, hit that like on this video, send me some comments down below. Tell me what you think about the jumpsuit. What do I wear with it? I would love to know. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and I will see you soon. Bye.